Hi guys, welcome back to Kirshner Farmstead. Today we're making a hugelkultur bed. We have a bunch of apricot seeds and we have some other stuff we're wanting to plant out here. So we're going to get a long hugelkultur bed set up today. It's going to be a lot of work, but we're going to get it done. I'm starting with the large logs first. We're going to add in straw and then some dirt on top of that. I'll rototill around the outside edge and get that dirt thrown on the top, and we'll get a nice mound laid down, and we'll get a sprinkler out here and get some growth going. We're doing the apricots because pitted fruit grows really well here. We got these plum trees growing really nicely up there at the top of the property, so we want to get another long bed of fruit growing down here. The hugelkultur bed breaks down large material to smaller, and basically it keeps the natural breakdown of soils and materials going that you would find in nature going in your garden. So we have red clay right here. We're going to turn that into nice garden material. It takes some time, but you start with the large material and you add on everything all the way up to the material you plant in, and over time that large material breaks down and makes a really nice soil. They're going to be helping me today. We'll see.
Okay, you guys, so our summer squash bed has been struggling pretty hard. We put seeds directly in the ground this year, so we weren't sure how it was going to go. It hasn't gone super great, so what we're going to do is we are going to take manure from the old pig pen where the pumpkin patch is doing amazing, and we are going to put it where the plants are, and we're going to replant the little baby plants into that.
I am shoveling up this mound that was going to be for our squash, but the squash in this one didn't grow, so I'm going to shovel it up, put it in this bucket, and we are going to plant our summer squash in it.
What used to be in this? What used to be here?
Our pig. Yeah.
So why is this dirt good?
This dirt is super good because it's been composting and pig poop.
What did you guys find?
A little frog in Tanner's bouncer. Whoa! So our baby summer, our summer squash, baby summer squash, haven't been doing so well. So I just went and got some manure from or dirt from our pig's old pen, and we are going to use that to transplant our little baby summer squash into. We're gonna carefully dig up the little summer squash. And now we're gonna set this to the side. Hey, there's a little seed. This is the seed that I grew out of. We're taking it from down, from the pig's old pen, is because the pumpkins are doing super well down there, and so we want to make sure that the summer squash is doing just as good. Good dirt around it. Make sure that you're not squishing down the dirt too much, or else it will suffocate the plants. Because because if you squish down the dirt, then all the air bubbles around the roots will be popped, and there will be no air left for the plant. So you want to make sure you do squish it down, but not too. So just a little bit like that. Okay, guys, so all of our plants have been transplanted into the dirt, and this is what it looks like. All of them are done. Some of them we had to split because there were two in the same hole, and you want to make sure that each of them have enough room to grow. So, yeah.
Show me.
Colton, do you like ladybugs? Oh, this is our Swiss chard bed. We are going to cut it down and put it into our hugelkultur.
Will the Swiss chard grow back after you cut it down?
Yes, it will go back after it's cut. Okay, I'm gonna bring this and lay it down on the bed.
So this is the super hard red clay that we get to contend with here in the Sierra Nevada mountains of California.
Our dirt added on top of this material, and that'll start the process of breaking down all the large logs and all the plant-based material. Once we add the water in, everything starts heating up and worms will be added to the mix. Alright guys, so we have our dirt material now down over our hugelkultur bed. We're going to get these apricot seeds planted. We got them from one of our neighbors. We want to get a nice apricot orchard growing, so we're going to get these planted. Now, apricot seeds take 3 to 4 months to be able. They need a frost, so over winter. So next spring we'll probably start seeing them sprout up. But we figure we'll get them planted now and get them watered and get them nicely established. Now we're gonna plant them kind of close together. We have a lot of seeds, and then whichever ones aren't thriving as well, we can pull out and we'll have a nice thick crop. Now after we get these planted, we're going to get some more straw put on top of this, and we'll keep adding material to the outsides and to the top through the season. That way it can keep its breakdown process.
Last year we have fruit trees in our herb garden back there, and they are great fruit trees. They produce a lot of fruit, but this year, because of that snow, they were all about to start producing, and they all died didn't die, but died because of the frost.
Okay, you guys, we are now rototilling for a new corn crop. Okay, so we hadn't planned on putting in corn this year, but because of the feed prices and everything, we figured that if nothing else, then we'll have some corn to feed our chickens.
Okay, so we are preparing the bed for the corn.
This knuckle grass is a nightmare. if it is in your beds, it will completely take over, so try to get it out when you can.
Yeah. Yes. Because it gets really big, like really big, and you can't pull it out. Its roots are so strong, but the grass part is so weak that if you try to pull it, then the grass just tears.
See?
Yeah, look at that. Look at those roots. Right now we are sprinkling the corn. We're gonna do 2 rows of sweet corn and 2 rows of popcorn. I really hope the popcorn works because that will be some good popcorn.
We started the morning, got the hugelkultur bed done.
And then what did you do, Hunter?
And then I transplanted our summer squash into better soil, so then it grows better.
I cut down the Swiss chard to make the bed for the hugelkultur.
And finally, we planted our 3 different types of corn. All right, so now we're gonna go inside and do some baking.
All right.
Have a great rest of your day, and happy Father's Day to all of the dads out there that watch us.
And we'll
Have a
see
good day,
you
guys.
later. Bye.